Hello friends, how are you? Here, Ruchi Jain with another interesting topic, Prepositions in German Language, Part 1. I hope you will enjoy this video and you will learn the prepositions. In this video, we are going to cover the first part of prepositions. Prepositions like ohne, bis, für, and many more. So, let's start. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it. So, are you ready to start? Let's go ahead. Prepositions. Before going ahead, I would like to tell you a simple definition of preposition. What does that actually means? You must be knowing. As the word shows, preposition. If we break the word pre plus position, that means placing before. So in very simple words, we can say it is basically a word which connects or links a noun or a pronoun or a phrase to the other words in the same sentence. So once again, it is basically a word which connects or links a noun or a pronoun or a phrase to the other words in a sentence. Let's see the example. In English, I am just trying to make it simple for you. I am proud of my country. I am proud of my country. Here you can see the preposition is of. Some more prepositions in English language are to, in, with, near, for, at, etc. There are many, and these prepositions are also in German language. So, let's go ahead. Let's understand the prepositions in a simplified manner using this chart. Präposition, accusative, dative, Wechselpräposition. So, we have categorized it in three different categories: accusative prepositions, dative preposition, and third one is Wechselpräposition or Wechselpräposition. Accusative, we are going to discuss dative also, and Wechsel prepositions are those prepositions which are sometimes accusative and sometimes dative. So they exchange their position depending on the context. We are going to learn all these concepts step by step. So let's go ahead. Let's take the next one, that is For example, the party will start at 7 o'clock. The party will start at 7 o'clock. Here, the preposition is at. We'll translate it like this. The party fängt 7 Uhr an. Verb is anfangen, and that is how we'll use it in the sentence. The party fängt 7 Uhr an. Here, is the preposition. Next one is durch. Durch, which means through. The dog came through the door. Der Hund kam durch die Tür. Der Hund kam durch die Tür. Durch, which is the preposition here, through. Let's go ahead. The next one is ohne, which means without. In English, let's take one example. Without you, I will not celebrate my birthday. Without you, I will not celebrate my birthday. Or you can say, I will not celebrate my birthday without you. You can keep it at any place. So, in German, ohne dich feiere ich meinen Geburtstag nicht. Ohne dich feiere ich meinen Geburtstag nicht. Geburtstag, birthday. So here the preposition is ohne. Because it is accusative, that is why we have used dich. Let's go ahead. Next one is gegen. Let's take one example. Tomorrow India will play against England. tomorrow India will play against England. Here the preposition is against. Now in German, morgen spielt Indien gegen England. Morgen spielt Indien gegen England. Here the preposition is gegen. So the last preposition is bis, which means till, until, up to. Let's see the example. The project must be ready till next week. The project must be ready till next week. That is how we will translate in German. Das Projekt muss bis nächste Woche fertig sein. Once again, das Projekt muss bis nächste Woche fertig sein. Here we can see that here we have used modal verb. And the preposition is in red, bis, which means till. Let's see one more example. Very commonly we use till Monday, like that. When we take departure, till Monday, till Tuesday, till morning, or till evening, like that. So how will translate it? Bis Montag, bis Montag. That is how we will say choose or till Monday. So these are the usage. I hope you have understood. Now I am going to give you a trick to learn these prepositions. So how to remember the preposition specifically belong to the category accusative. So here I have made one short form, F U D O G E B. So what does that mean? Now you can see. F stands for für, U stands for D stands for durch, O stands for ohne, that GE stands for gegen, and B stands for bis. So für, durch, ohne, gegen, bis. These are the prepositions which are purely accusative, and this is the short form. You can remember it as a Fudo-Gabe. That is the easiest trick to remember the purely accusative prepositions. If you have something else, you can also write in the comment section. If you are not comfortable with this short form, you can make your own. But this is the easiest form which I found. So I have given this trick. Now it is very easy for you to remember it. Thank you. Danke. I hope you have understood this part of prepositions. If you have any problem or any concern or any question or something you would like to tell me, please do write in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do consider to subscribe it. Thanks once again and ring the bell. Wait for my next interesting video. Cheers.